Hey, third video, we filmed the social media reaction, then the Apple Watch. You know, we got this. I have an actual technology unboxing.
Yay, Apple Watch.
It's so photobombing. I'm not, this isn't my normal gaming content. I'm still trying to produce that video, but this is a semi-technology related product. I'll use this for video editing because my current mouse. Okay, so here's my current mouse. So I'll just put this off to the side. So I got this. It's like the cheapest mouse you can imagine. It's like a Chinese, like, I call it the peanut mouse because it's so small.
Got it from the security camera.
Oh yeah, when we got our security and cameras installed, this guy gave it to us, but like the button, I busted it. Used to be flush, I don't know, it's out of alignment or something. So I've been, yeah, so this is USB-A. I like wired mice, because A, it's like this compared to like this. I'm not gonna drop that, but.
In case some of you guys wondering about the clicking noise.
And here it is on its G502. Way quieter.
This
is loud.
Clack, clack, clack,
Like
clack.
if I don't have my headphones on when I'm editing, you can barely, you can hear it a lot. But this G502 is like $20 more than this. So I like wired mice because this is a lot heavier, and then I gotta deal with either charging or replacing batteries. So you can see this mouse has no weights in it right now. Actually, oh wait, no, sorry. Wrong. It does have weights in it. So we actually own 2 of these G502 wirelesses. They're really good mice. No.
Oh.
And then this is the same.
I know.
Just trust me, we own 2. And then, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons. And then there's a normal 3 click, and you can turn on hyper smooth.
Oh, I thought that was like an actual thing in the settings. I didn't know you just click the button.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So that's hyper smooth. So this one we keep in not hyper smooth, but our other mouse we keep in hyper smooth. This is a nice mouse, but this is just like too gamery for what I want. Like if you look, see how this is like a nice mix between normal mouse and a gamery mouse, got like RGB. So with the G203 I bought, I don't have to deal with batteries, I don't have to deal with charging. Software, I just plug it in and it works, which is what I want. I want that for every computer. I don't mind the wire. I'm always used to close to a USB port anyways because I work off the laptop. So like this is good, but then you gotta plug it in. They make wired versions of these, but there's no just got random stuff on it. So I'm running 8000 dpi. So it's like I said, this is a nice mix between in my opinion, this is a really nice mix between a office mouse and a gaming mouse. It like got the specs of a gaming mouse. I don't like fast mice too, so. But I know Logitech makes good stuff, so. I saw some reviews saying this starts double clicking after a year, but I got this on sale for like 40 Canadian dollars, so. I don't know, that doesn't really affect me. So it's just in styrofoam, okay. Not the best packaging I've ever seen, though, Logitech. Manual, it's a mouse. I don't think anybody cares about the manual.
Some people want to learn about the life.
Yeah, so this is a bit of a cheap feeling cord. It's quite thin.
Ooh. Nice.
Apple Watch owner impressions.
E.
Okay, so this is bigger than I thought. These images on the product packaging make it look small. I didn't get to feel this in person, so yeah. So here it is compared to this mouse. Here it is compared to the 502. This is a very popular mouse, the 502. Okay, so we're back. So here's our size comparison. So we got the peanut mouse. Oh, it's already scratched on there. Are you kidding me? Now we got the G502. So you can tell this looks a lot better, to be honest. So here's the scrolling peanut mouse. 502. Hyper smooth. And 203. So these two are about on par. This is obviously louder. So this just has a nice RGB strip. So I've been eyeballing this for like 2 years, to be honest. So this has no weight capability. I gotta cover up the sticker, so it's just got the sensor. So it's got 3 buttons. It says 6, but there's 1, 2, 3. These are just these. Let me just, I'm on carpet right now. So like this, a little sticky. This glides nicely. Then this is like a $5 mouse. So I plan to do a little light gaming with this, so yeah. Just don't mess with that. Getting annoying. Okay, so this is a pretty long cord. It's about 4 feet long, I'd say. Couldn't really find that spec anywhere, so if we grab the computer here. Okay, I just saw the RGB, so. So there's probably a way to disable this, but for now, I don't know, I like this. This looks cool. they won't.
In case.
So it's got the clear sensor. I've noticed that on Logitech mice when you just don't touch. So I plug in my peanut mouse. Yeah, it's got this red sensor. It's always on. This is nicer with the clear. It doesn't burn your eyes out every time you look at it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like this. Oh, God. It's. I wonder, Google. I wonder. But I know Squirrel Roofer is quite good. What game? So this mouse is bigger than I thought. This RGB looks pretty cool. So I'm just playing some right click to Necromance. I'll put like a download link in the description. But these clicks are pretty quiet. They're not too loud, which is what I wanted. Because I don't like loud mice, to be honest. Just
wanna see how far I go.
You can tell serious gaming going on here.
I can't hear it.
So I haven't used this desk on a mouse. I haven't used this mouse on a desk yet. I mean, it feels pretty good. This is a good upgrade over the Peanut mouse. Definitely good over the trackpad. I'm fine with the trackpad for like browsing the web, but I'm not fine with the trackpad for like video editing and stuff. I just don't like it for video editing. I have to determine what these buttons do. It's just plug and play, because like for the 502 you have to use the G-Hub software. It's a nightmare to use. It's always like trying to update, which, as you know, it always breaks the app. So like it's just not good. Yeah, so like you don't want to have to deal with G-Hub. So I assume for this you have to get G-Hub to control the lights, which I might. I'll see. But I don't know. I might not, because I'm fine with these lights in their current form. I don't need to do anything major with them.
And with the app, there's probably some kind of pro version that costs $6.49 a week.
A week? That's highly unusual. No one's by month or by.
That's a lot. Like a lot of games made by Voodoo, they have like $6.49 a week subscription to the pro version. Like VIP, you get everything. But you still have to watch a lot of ads.
No, I'm not that good at this game.
Like
Just FYI, I'm not that good. I'm just kind of playing randomly here to review the mouse. I'll try and switch to some deep.io here shortly. Or depth.io, whatever.
What about some
I like.
simulator?
So far, I like this mouse. It's good. It's nice and easy to run. It's got whatever sensitivity it's on at right now. It's fine. The 502 has on-the-fly buttons. These two in the top left are on-the-fly buttons, but I know. So far, this mouse feels quality. I kind of thought it would be, since it's a Logitech product, but
it looks pretty quality.
As I mentioned, I didn't use it before, so I didn't know how good it'd be. Well, it's pretty good. My hands are small, but it's got a pretty good grip to it. Okay, I got some T2s now, but I keep right clicking accidentally. I'll just put this mouse cam in like the corner of the screen. I don't know how useful it'll actually be.
Very unuseful.
I'm not playing like any shooters. Actually, I do have shooters on here, but
someone out there will find it useful, I'm sure.
I could like hook this up to my Xbox and try playing some split gate.
Split gate with a mouse.
Yeah, that's what it's designed for.
I know that. Maybe I didn't know that, but shh. I totally knew that.
Okay, yeah, so I'm not gonna keep going here forever, but I might post an update over time, but I might post an update over time, but I'm pretty sure I like this mouse. I don't see any reason to try. I like these RGBs, but they are cool. I'll have to see if I can program these forward back buttons. for like, because I want this for video editing purposes. So I'll see if I can like program them to like a pause or something and see. I'll make like an add title button or something.
Add title.
I use like all my captions and stuff I have in my videos, which I have all the time for further explanations.
Yeah, which you have explained in previous episodes.
Yeah, I wrote it down somewhere. That's like I use this to explain myself further.
I saw it in, I think it was the screwdriver video. Oh, it was.
No, it was before.
Go-karting, right? Go-karting.
That's something like that.
Go-karting. Yeah, it was. Yeah.
When I said this to the best guy in the
And
chat.
then you got stuck. Hit the tires of the jam.
I even put in there this moron. I insulted myself.
I thought you were talking about the guy because he didn't know how to get you out even though your tire
No, I
was
was talking
wedged.
about myself.
I thought you were talking about the employee. The employee was a moron too though.
No, he wasn't. He was.
Yeah, but he didn't even move you for a solid minute.
But yeah, because it's a bit of a stuck situation.
You could have just put your bumper side out.
Yeah, so to conclude this video, I know wired mouse isn't for everybody, but
Nice.
if you're not looking for something that's strictly office based, I'd say this is a pretty good option. I'd say. At least I get some gaming content, but this seems like a good mix because like the G502 looks pretty gamery, especially with these RGBs going. And then once you get into like the G902, it's like half of it has gaps and chasms in it and buttons.
And
Like once you get into G902 territory, it's like or G903 or 703. It's like seriously gamer.
And then just wanted to add Mr. Peanut Mouse over here. He's he's cute, but he's definitely not a gaming mouse. He's made for security camera use. No, he's just made for general like office tasks, I guess, little things where your coworkers wouldn't mind you going 8 hours a day, but hopefully they won't mind that.
This just uses a standard USB-A port, so it'll connect to nearly anything. Even if it's USB-C, don't do that, I get a record cord. Even if it's USB-C, you can get a USB-C to A adapter. I'd say that's essential in today's world. We own 2 of them. So these RGBs, like when you have it here, don't really. This plastic doesn't feel cheap either, but the RGBs don't really show. I don't know what else to say. Oh no, I'm gonna die, come on, kill somebody, there you go, finally, I killed somebody. There you go, now we're killing somebody. Let's kill these guys. You know, I don't know if I'll upload these in filmed order. I might not. Because I'll edit this first, I think.
Why would you edit
No, I'll edit this first because I'm screen recording, so I already got the footage sitting there.
Right. So we don't have to download it. That probably takes 5 hours just to download.
Well, no, because it's already right on my computer, so it won't take 5 hours.
Remember that time when we had my whole body crossed for like an hour? Waiting for the footage to download and then it failed. Probably pulled several messes after that.
So, we're basically done, Nick. Yeah, I don't have much else to say about this mouse. I can't say much. The 5-day weekend's almost over, so I'll film probably one gaming video tomorrow, edit. Then it'll be a while before I post again. At least till the weekend, but yeah, so I think that's it. Cue ending screen. I don't know, hope you found this video entertaining and or helpful. Again, I just opened it. I haven't used it, so I'll give some further impressions at some point. If I hold myself to that promise, but goodbye.